Hello, children. It's Tuesday again, and today we will be together at our English class. Let's first sing our hello song. So put it on YouTube, sing and dance. Najprej zapojmo našo pesmico. How are you today? I am happy. And tell me, are you happy too? Are you sleepy? Are you hungry? Are you tired? How are you today? Let's repeat. I am Martina. I'm 28. I'm from Ilirska Bistrica. I am a girl. Now tell me, what's your name? How old are you? And where are you from? Are you a boy or a girl? Let's first repeat. Zdaj bomo pa najprej malček ponovili. Are you ready? Let's start with our 4 seasons. No pa začnimo z letnimi časi. Do you know the names of the seasons? They are called spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now repeat the names of the seasons with the song. Zdaj pa ponovi poimenovanja letnih časov s pomočjo pesmice. But first tell me, what season do we have outside? Kateri letni čas imamo pa sedaj zunaj? Is it summer? No. Is it spring? No. Is it winter? Not yet, but it will almost be winter. Kmalu bo zima, ni pa še zima. Is it autumn? Yes, it is. Do you remember how's the weather? Se spomnite poimenovanja za vreme? It can be sunny, partly cloudy, rainy, snowy, stormy. How's the weather today outside? Kakšno je vreme danes zunaj? Upam, da vsak dan spremljate in postavljate na tisto naše vremensko kolo ščipalko na ustrezno mesto. Now listen to the song How's the Weather? Zdaj pa prisluhni pesmici How's the Weather? Tell me, what are these? Do you know? These are shoes. You can repeat after me. Lahko ponoviš za menoj. Shoes. What color are these shoes? Kakšne barve so? They are black and white. What is this? It's a jacket. A jacket. And what color is this jacket? Is it pink? No, it's brown and orange. What are these? These are the mittens. Good, the mittens. And what color are these mittens? They are blue and kind of pink. What is this? This is a scarf. And what color is the scarf? It's red. And what is this? This is a hat. A hat. And what color is this hat? It's yellow and pink or purple. Excellent. Today we are going to listen to the story Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Danes pa bomo pri uri angleščine prisluhnili zgodbici z naslovom Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Zlatolaska in trije medvedki. Listen, pa prisluhni, povezavo imaš pripeto. Do you like the story? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Ti je bila zgodbica všeč? Yes, I do. Ja. No, I don't. Ne. Now listen again. Zdaj pa pozorno prisluhni naslednji povezavi, ki jo imaš pripeto, in poslušaj, katere so nove besede v zgodbici. Now repeat. Zdaj pa ponovi. Klikni na naslednjo povezavo. This is the exercise for first graders. Draw. Naloga za prvošolce. Narišite. V zvezek z angleščino narišite, kaj vam je bilo danes pri zgodbici najbolj všeč. The exercise for second graders. Listen and draw. Naloga za drugošolke. V priponki imate učni list, prisluhnite in narišite. Listen. Number 1. A chair. A chair. Number 2. A tiny bed. A tiny bed. Number 3. Green forest. Green forest. Number 4. A house. A house. Number 5. Big bear. Big bear. Number 6. Tiny bear. Tiny bear. And last but not least, some work for third graders. You've got worksheets in your mail. Read and do. V priponki imate 2 učna lista, preberi navodilo in naredi. So, number 1, match the words to the pictures. Poveži besede s sličicami. Bo šlo. Poskusi prebrati sam. Pritisni na pauzo. Če ne bo šlo, prisluhni tudi mojemu branju. Bow. Tired. Forest. Girl. Hungry. Wake up. Sleep. Bed. Golden chair. Golden hair. Next one is chair. Bear. Hot. Next exercise, naslednja naloga. Read and color. Preberi in pobarvaj. Tako kot piše. And the last one, match them up. Poveži sličice z besedami, podobno kot prva naloga. That's all for today. Have a nice day and goodbye.